BoatCloud is the most advanced marina management system on the market today, giving marinas real-time productivity management without the hassles of clipboards, spreadsheets, and dry erase boards. For those of you that use QuickBooks to manage your accounting and finances, we've got something to show you. We use the latest in cloud computing technology to simplify your daily routines, automate your transactions, and make your staff more efficient. Our API data service works with most modern versions of QuickBooks, but in this video I'll be using QuickBooks Pro Model 2014. Our integration with QuickBooks is done through what's called a QuickBooks Web Connector. This is a service that runs in your system tray, runs behind the scenes. It's not something that you have to babysit all the time. Once the Web Connector is running in your system tray, BoatCloud becomes your master record holder for each of your customers, their boats, and all of their reservations. To give you a simple introduction to how the Web Connector works and how the integration works, we're going to go ahead and create a new customer. I'm going to make this as easy as possible by keeping it right at the top of the list. You'll see the first one on the list is Aaron Adams. I'm going to create a new customer by the name of Adam Aarons. And I will save him. And if I want, I can give him an address, 123 Test Way, and put him in Marinaville, Florida, and zip code. And we'll say that he is not an existing customer in QuickBooks, and we'll hit the save button. Adam Aarons has been added to the grid, but is currently showing in red because the system is waiting for the QuickBooks Web Connector to run. And again, the Web Connector can run every 10 minutes, every 60 minutes, or as frequently as you would like, or you can simply do a manual update. And I'll go ahead and pull open my QuickBooks 2014, get back to my customer list, and here's Adam Aarons has been successfully added to our customer list, complete with his address, 123 Test Way, Marinaville, Florida, 12345. I'm going to jump back to BoatCloud and refresh the screen. You'll see that Aaron Adams has turned black, and he has been successfully paired with a QuickBooks ID. This is the magic number that runs behind the scenes in QuickBooks to post all invoices and track everything related to that customer. Again, to show you that BoatCloud is the master record holder so that you're not managing data in both locations, let's take Mr. Aarons, Adam Aarons, and let's give him some credentials. Let's say that his email address is adam@boatcloud.com. Phone number is 512-555-5555, and let's say that his address changed, and we'll say he's in apartment 101, and we'll hit the save button. Again, the Web Connector runs on its own time, and we'll call QuickBooks back open, and look at this, in real time Adam Aarons has been successfully updated with the phone number, email address, and his apartment number. So it's a beautiful real-time integration and a very efficient way to manage your customers and all of their activities. And rather than take too much time to show you how to add boats to Adam's account, I'm just going to take you over to my demo account. You'll see that I actually have multiple boats stored within this marina, within this demo account. And I am going to take you through the process and show you one step further how the integration passes invoices directly from the BoatCloud application straight through into your QuickBooks accounting program, so that as your customer, when I purchase fuel, beer, ice, sodas, water, any packages or special services that you want to provide your customers, I'm going to show you how that passes through to QuickBooks in real time, bypassing the front desk so that your accounting is being conducted where your accounting should be being conducted, and that of course in the back office. Okay, so as a customer of this demonstration marina, I'm going to make a new reservation. The application knows that I have multiple boats in storage, so as your customer I have to pick which boat I want to make a reservation for. I'll take BoatCloud 9, I confirm the date that I want the reservation for, and of course the time. I might take 4:40 this afternoon, and I choose a placement for where I want the boat placed, maybe in the water or on a courtesy rack or whatever it might be. And of course you as a marina, you get to design these drop down menus So only the information that's relevant to your marina will be populated in the menus. And there's of course there's a silent salesman where you can upgrade your customer to certain packages and things of that nature. But I'll keep this simple. I'm going to take a case of Coors Light, and I'm going to take 3 10-pound bags of ice. And of course I took package 1, and I'm going to hit save. Of course, if I wanted to, I can add some custom notes here to the notes field, but I'm going to save the launch. And here's a beautiful thing. At this point, as your customer, I've received a text message and an email specifically laying out the details of my reservation. But meanwhile, what's beautiful is that the BoatCloud dashboard refreshes every 60 seconds. So here it is counting down 22, 21, or every time you manually refresh the screen, and ta-da, there's my reservation that was made from my mobile device on my own time, literally anywhere in the world with a internet connection from any web-enabled device. The reservation shows up at the marina, traditionally on an iPad on the forklift, where the dock hands and the forklift operators can inspect the reservation. They grab the 24-pack of Coors Light, they grab the 3 bags of ice, they provision the boat, they read the customer's notes, they take care of everything, and they tag the boat as launched and save. They don't have to do it from that position. I should have showed you here a moment ago. There would have been a done button right here on the dashboard. They could have clicked the done button. Nonetheless, as a customer, I've received an email and a text message saying your boat has been successfully splashed and provisioned with the following items, and the boat then is added to the Boats Out module on the dashboard. This is basically your employee's log of these boats are out of their home racks. They're eventually going to need further services to either be put away or whatever instructions might be tied to those reservations. So here's the interesting part. When your forklift operator and your dock hands provision my boat with my beer, my ice, my fuel, etc., when that done button is clicked, all those other things take place, but what's really, really cool is that in the background that QuickBooks web connector has cycled, it has passed, and if everything goes the way it was supposed to, down here for Todd Wagner on the 18th, invoice number 20, purchased a package 1 pre-splash special for $25, 1 case of Coors Light for $24, and 3 10-pound bags of ice totaling $15. Successfully creating a $64 invoice for this customer without touching the front desk or the front office. Forklift operator tagged it as done. Accounting department has the clean, fresh, accurate invoice. If you haven't already been through a full product demonstration and a tour through the entire BoatCloud system, I encourage you to do so as soon as possible. My name is Todd. My direct line is 936-205-1103. I look forward to answering your questions and helping you integrate with this awesome new technology. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you on the water.